This is the baler modeled after the popular 600 Super M-series balers from Vermeer. Designed for producers who want speed, operating efficiency, functionality, and reliability. And smaller high-density 5x4 hay packages. Heavy built, easy to operate, giving you great operating efficiency, steadfast reliability, versatility, added conveniences, and of course, great-looking high-density 5x4 bales. Simply put, the Vermeer 504 N-series baler produces neatly wrapped packages, 47 inches wide, up to 60 inches in diameter, weighing up to 1,200 pounds, depending on moisture content. What separates it from other round balers in its class? It starts with smart design and uncompromising quality. The Vermeer 504N is designed to handle hay that's wet and dense, or light and dry, and virtually everything in between. What's the secret? Big 5-bar pickups, big feeding capacity, reliable rubber-mounted tines, one of the best hay saver wheels in the industry, with long, specially formed fingers to give you more positive raking action, less bounce in rugged terrain, and increased reach, allowing you to pack the corners for consistent bale density from end to end. And that's just for starters. Note how this baler uses a unique positive roll starting system that combines with the Vermeer bottom drum design for reliable starts, for aggressive intake at high feed rates, and uniform distribution of the core across the entire chamber. Smart belt design, evenly spaced and separated, reduces potential material buildup. Vermeer quality rollers and bearings give you the rugged durability you want for high-capacity baling and optimum production season after season. Plus, the 504N isn't just fast, efficient, and reliable. It's flat-out easy to use. Disengaging and re-engaging the PTO before starting every new bale can be frustrating and time-consuming. The 504N eliminates all that with a patented drop-and-go bale ejection system that makes starting a new bale quick and easy. And now, wrapping bales is quick and hassle-free too. No need to feed net wrap through a series of belts and rollers. The new net wrap system feeds it directly to the main belts of the baler. And it does it with a new spiral roller that gives you full net coverage with every rotation, even at the beginning of the wrap cycle. Want a better way to manage and time your haying schedule and harvest high nutrition, high energy forage packages at 50 to 65% moisture? Ask about the optional silage baling kit, which gives you more freedom, more flexibility, and a more palatable and digestible product. And now, because the Vermeer Bale Expert Monitor comes standard on the 504N, you can roll those great-looking bales without leaving the cab. And you even have the option to monitor your moisture levels in real time. Everywhere you look, you'll find the 504N baler comes equipped with smart, practical features you won't necessarily find on other balers in its class. Features that make your job easier and less stressful. Speed, great feeding capacity, steadfast reliability, convenience and functionality. Great-looking high-density 5x4 bales. No matter what crops you're harvesting, no matter what conditions you're in. The all-new 504N baler from Vermeer.